Exercise number 21, ready, start. Procedure to be followed when claim of juvenility is raised before any court. Whenever a claim of juvenility is raised before any court or a court is of the opinion that an accused person was a juvenile on the date of commission of the offence, the court shall make an inquiry, take such evidence as may be necessary, but not an affidavit, so as to determine the age of such person, and shall record a finding whether the person is a juvenile or a child or not, stating his age as nearly as may be. Full stop. Paragraph. Provided that a claim of juvenility may be raised before any court, and it shall be recognized at any stage even after final disposal of the case, and such claim shall be determined in terms of the provisions contained in this act and the rules made thereunder, even if the juvenile has ceased to be so on or before the date of commencement of this act. Stop. Paragraph. If the court finds a person to be a juvenile on the date of commission of the offence under subsection within bracket 1, it shall forward the juvenile to the board for passing appropriate orders, and the sentence, if any, passed by a court shall be deemed to have no effect. Full stop. Paragraph. Special provision in respect of pending cases. Stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in this act, all proceedings in respect of a juvenile pending in any court in any area on the date on which this act comes into force in that area shall be continued in that court as if this act had not been passed, and if the court finds that the juvenile had committed an offence, it shall record such finding, and instead of passing any sentence in respect of the juvenile, forward the juvenile to the board, which shall pass orders in respect of that juvenile in accordance with the provisions of this act, as if it had been satisfied on inquiry under this act that a juvenile has committed the offence. Full stop. Paragraph. Subsection within bracket 1 of the section 7A provides for an inquiry to determine the juvenility of the accused on the date of commission of the offence, as and when any such question is raised before the court, or the court is of the opinion that the accused person was juvenile on the date of commission of offence. Stop. Proviso to subsection 1 further empowers the court. Full stop.